Today we will crochet this 3D heart. It can be used as a pendant. We are using the material pack from Loopy Eileen. Let's take a look at the materials used in the pack. Now we are ready to start. First, magic ring. Take out the red yarn. Hold the thread end with the right hand. Wrap around the little finger of the left hand from front to back. Then pass the thread around the index finger from front to back. Then go around the middle finger from the back to the front. Pinch the crossed part of the thread with the thumb. This is how to make a magic ring. Hold the hook in the right hand and insert the hook under the yarn tail. Place the hook over the second yarn. Yarn over and pull through. There is one loop on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the loop. This is the starting chain for the magic ring. Then, pull your left middle finger out of the loop. Then, begin to crochet the first round. Wrap around the left little finger. Bring the yarn from back to front over the index finger. Pinch the ring. Insert the hook through the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Now, there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops at once. First single crochet completed. Pull the loop up. You will see a distinct V shape. Take out a stitch marker. Slide the stitch marker through the V stitch to mark the first single crochet. Now let's make the second single crochet. Put the hook back into the loop. Tighten the loop and adjust. For the second single crochet, insert the hook into the ring. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over again, and pull through both loops on the hook at once. Continue crocheting single crochet stitches repeatedly until you have completed 6 single crochets. Now we have finished 5 single crochets. We need to crochet the last single crochet. After finishing the last single crochet, pull the loop. Count them, there are 6 V-shaped stitches in total. Pinch the yarn tail tightly with your left hand and pull firmly until the circle closes up. Next, crochet a slip stitch to finish this round. Insert the hook back into the loop, then tighten and adjust it. Remove the stitch marker from the first single crochet. Insert the hook into the first single crochet. Tip: you can put the tail over the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. We will pull the first loop through the second loop. Now we completed the slip stitch and finished the first round. Now let's begin the second round. Chain 1 for the turning chain. Just yarn over and pull through. The pattern for the second round is to work single crochet increase in every stitch, which means 2 single crochets in each stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch where we just made the slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again and pull through both loops. Pull the loop and place the stitch marker. We completed the first single crochet. Insert the hook into the same stitch again. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over and pull through both loops. The second single crochet is completed. Next, work 2 single crochets in each stitch in the same way for total 12 single crochets. Please finish the rest at your own pace. After inserting the hook into the V-stitch, place the tail over the hook before yarning over. In this way, you can hide the tail neatly without leaving any marks. We finished 12 single crochets and crochet a slip stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch with marker. Yarn over and pull through. Then draw it through the loop on the hook. We finished the second round. Now, let's begin the third round. Chain 1 for the turning chain. For round 3, 1 single crochet and 1 increase in each repeat. Insert the hook into the slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over again and pull through both loops. Pull the loop and place a stitch marker. The first single crochet is done. Then work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Follow the same pattern. Work 1 single crochet increase in every other stitch. For total 18 single crochets. Then, slip stitch to close the third round. Let's begin the round 4. Chain 1 for the turning chain. Insert the hook into the slip stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Then yarn over again and pull through both loops. Pull the loop and place a stitch marker. We finished the first single crochet. For round 4, work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Total 18 single crochets. Now, finish 18 single crochets on your own. Finally, slip stitch once to finish round 4. Round 5 is exactly same as round 4. Work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Totally 18 single stitch. Place a stitch marker in the first single crochet. After finishing the final slip stitch, chain 1, pull the loop and fasten off. Now, we finish the round part at top. We need 2 identical round pieces just like this one. Now, we finish the second one. When finish the final slip stitch of the second round piece, do not fasten off.